Okay, Cindy Hibble here again on day 2 with PointBridge. We're very excited to have them here. First time filming PointBridge, so we're excited. And we have Lance with us today. So Lance, can you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Sure, I'm Lance Russell. I'm the co-founder at PointBridge. I head up all of our marketing and operations.
Great. And you've worked there for...
So we founded PointBridge in 2004.
Okay.
So I've worked with clients directly in the healthcare industry and across other industries. So we build high-impact business solutions leveraging Microsoft technologies.
Okay. So give us a few more details on what exactly you do and what industries you play in.
Sure. So we specialize in information management solutions. So things like portals and collaboration, enterprise content management, search, business intelligence. And in addition to information management, we're doing a lot of work with web development, around the cloud, and with unified communication solutions. So healthcare is a big area of focus for us. We've been working with healthcare clients since our founding in 2004.
Oh, that's great. So we all know Epic's a big player in the market. You guys work with a lot of Epic customers in helping them develop solutions that complement the Epic solution, right?
Yeah, so what we found is many of our clients are running their operations around Epic, but when it comes to getting information out of Epic and getting it into the hands of their users so that they can actually make decisions about their business, there are some challenges. So what we found is by getting data out of Epic into things like SQL Server or SharePoint or Excel into the hands of end users who can do something with it, our clients are able to make faster, better, smarter decisions, which ultimately we've seen translate into improved patient care. So in particular, we build document management systems on top of Epic. We also build business intelligence systems on top of Epic, so things like dashboards, analytics, and reporting. So
you kind of help them meet some of their meaningful use?
We have certainly helped. Meaningful use reports is one of the applications that we've seen. We've also done things like executive dashboards. So we're working with a physician group in the Chicago area right now where their C-level team wanted to get better access faster to what was going on in the business. So we built an executive dashboard that shows financial data. It shows patient care information. It's pulling those things from a variety of systems, like Lawson for their financial information, like Epic for clinical care. So executive dashboards is a big one that we're seeing. The other one that we're seeing is that at the departmental level, the people that are charged with running departments are trying to make their limited budgets go further than they had to before. So. One way you can do that is giving more visibility to what's happening. So there was one client for whom we built a set of dashboards recently where they were able to look at purchase order information. They're able to look at information like OR time per doctor, OR time by physician group. They can look at reimbursement groups. So we can slice and dice this data by physician group, practice area, procedure, date, hospital, and department, and really get super granular with what's going on in the business and act a lot faster. One of the outcomes of that particular project was that this client was able to very quickly hone in on a few particular vendors with whom they were spending quite a bit of money, and they were across multiple departments and multiple groups. And rather than going about procurement in a very distributed way, they were able to centralize some of that purchase and really see significant cost savings by centralizing their spend with those particular vendors. So those are a couple of the examples in addition to meaningful use reports that we've seen that our clients have gotten a lot of value from.
So that's kind of the provider space that we're looking at here. So tell us what you're doing with maybe some life sciences customers.
Sure. Also, have worked with life sciences clients for a long time. What we're doing in life sciences is a lot of work around SharePoint, custom development. So we're building web applications that our pharma and life sciences clients are distributing across their sales and marketing teams so that they can sell and market and connect with their clients more effectively. For example, one of our clients is putting a sales portal in place for a group of sellers. It's about 2,000 people spread across the U.S. It's going to enable them to collaborate with each other more effectively, quickly find experts. So one of the things that is important in life sciences is that bringing the expert to the table as quickly as possible. So how do I find those experts out there? It's giving them visualization of sales data so that their sales managers can quickly find information. So a lot of work with SharePoint across the life sciences space, improving collaboration and analytics across the company.
So we've talked about SharePoint, we've talked about BI, we've talked about enterprise content management type solutions, document management solutions. So it sounds to me like you're using a lot of different Microsoft products in those solutions. So we talked about SharePoint, so what are some of the other ones?
Yeah, so we've been working with SharePoint since 2003, and very excited with SharePoint 2010 capabilities like performance point services.
Okay.
We're also very excited about some of the new capabilities for document management.
Okay.
So beyond SharePoint, we're working with the entire SQL Server stack.
Okay.
So up to SQL Server 2008 R2. Integration services has proven to be a very powerful tool for integrating SQL with that. I'm sorry, so SQL Server integration services.
Okay.
So getting at that data that's in Epic and pulling it out into a data warehouse, using SQL Server analysis services to quickly build cubes, and then of course SQL Server reporting services to get that data out into the hands of users. We're also finding Excel, good old Excel, which is of course
hardworking tool.
One of the key reasons why we're big believers in the Microsoft BI stack is that our clients already own Excel. So if we can get all this data out of the back-end systems where it sits today into a well-constructed data warehouse or cube, doing ad hoc reporting using Excel services is very powerful for the analysts in our health provider organizations. We're also working very much with Exchange and Link. So we're finding that collaboration is changing greatly in the health space. So how do we transform the way that our people communicate and collaborate with each other so we can do it faster, more cheaply, with less travel, using the right tool for the right kind of communication. Sometimes that means an instant message, sometimes that means an email, sometimes that means a phone call, sometimes that means a video chat, sometimes that means several of us on a call together. So with Link, in particular Link 2010 having just come out, we're seeing many of our clients transform the way that they're able to collaborate across geographies, across departments, inside the organization and with clients, and to do it at a very cost-effective price point.
That's great.
I guess the last product area we're doing a lot of work with right now is in the cloud. So we've helped dozens of customers move either their email platform to the cloud via Exchange Online, or their collaboration platform in terms of SharePoint Online into the cloud. So we're putting those together into the Business Productivity Online suite. And we're very excited about what's coming with Office 365 here in the next several months, where clients will be able to do even more things with SharePoint and Exchange in the cloud, and really get them out of the business of managing infrastructure and letting them focus on patient care and the other things that are core to their business, and not having to worry about managing servers and uptime and patches and all those kinds of things.
Right. You want to managing solutions, right?
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that you've left us with a whole lot of great information. So everybody, pay attention. PointBridge is out there. They're a great partner. If you have Epic customers, make sure you make note of their name and their website.
www.pointbridge.com.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us.